Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by detuning the string until it's visibly slack. This reduces tension and prevents neck shift. Once the string is loose, cut it near the 12th fret or unwind from the tuning post and remove from the bridge. Make sure to collect bridge pins or scraps so nothing drops inside the sound hole. The why: relieving tension avoids damage and makes handling safer. After removal, wipe the fretboard where the string sat to clear grime before installing the new string. You now thread the new string through the bridge or tailpiece, seating the ball end securely so it won't slip. Next, pull the string up to the correct tuning post and leave about 2 to 3 inches of slack. That gives you room for clean winding. Wind the string so the wraps coil downward on the post for stable tuning. Once wound, bring the string to pitch, then gently stretch along its length and retune. This removes initial slack and helps it settle faster. You finish by tuning the string to its intended pitch, then repeating the stretch and retune cycle until the pitch holds. Make sure the string winds neatly with 2-3 wraps on the post. Too few wraps cause slipping, too many create binding. Trim excess string close to the post and tuck the tail away so it won't catch. If the string keeps slipping, check saddle slots and nut lubrication, confirm the winding direction, and add an extra wrap if needed to secure stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.